Alright guys, today we're making some guacamole. Solo crack. Ooh. Alright, first we're gonna start by cutting up our avocados. We got 5 avocados today. Gonna let the knife do the work, just spin that avocado. Well, we're gonna chop these up a little bit more. Alright, we're gonna grab our masher and just start mashing these. Prep our tomatoes. We got 5 tomatoes tonight. We're gonna start by chopping the tops off of them. Next thing we're gonna quarter these. And we're gonna cut the insides out of them, because nobody wants watery guacamole. Alright, next we're just gonna dice these tomatoes up. Once we got our tomatoes all diced up, we're going in with our avocado mixture. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut up some soap, get it in there. Alright, going in with our cilantro. Alright, we got a red onion, but we're gonna grate it in today because some of us, not me, think that onions shouldn't be in things, so we're hiding it from them. Going in with a little bit of squeeze lick. Alright, so next thing, we got a couple limes, 3 to be exact. We're gonna squeeze the lime juice and then mix it up. And this is the time you remember when you have a cut on your hand. Alright, we're gonna hit this with a little bit of salt here. Let's mix it up. Found these chili limon chips at Kroger. Sounded good to have with this. Get a little bit more out of a couple of these limes. My fiance is the one who requested this, so the real judge is gonna be her. Alright. That was pretty tasty.